Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing me some crochet braids, and just as the video title says, I'll be using the Kima braid ocean wave air. There it is in the color Onyx. This is the color Onyx. I have 3 bags of this. I'm gonna open this and just let you see what it looks like. This is some air I bought in the summer of 2019, which was last year. I bought 3 of these. I bought 3 bags of this in the color Onyx. I bought 3 bags of the color Midnight, and I bought 3 bags of the color Slate. I think I already used the Midnight, and I do have the Slate. This is the Slate. They're just these interesting colors. This is Slate. Soon enough on this channel or so I'll be using this color Slate, but today we're working with the color Onyx. This is how the air looks out of the pack. Kima ocean wave, of course. This is the 20-inch. This is the 20-inch length. This is how it looks right out of the pack. I'm going to be cutting the air in half. I hopefully would use all 3 bags, and do enjoy the video as I get started, and please stay with me, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already. Thank you. And my hair is all braided now, as you can see. All braided down. I have 12 cornrows up front. So I have 4 on the left side of my head going straight back, 4 on the right side of my head going straight back, and 4 in the middle. That just went to the middle of my head. Now the 4 now became 2 in the middle. So up front here I have 12 braids, but in the back you only be able to count 10. Let me quickly oil my hair, my scalp actually, and today I'm using Miracle Drops. Miracle Drops. So let me quickly get this out of the way. This drop has been wasting my time. Yeah, now that's how I do it. My hand goes faster. Next, I'll be cutting my hair in half. Cut in half. Now that's one half going aside, the other half, and this is how I'll be installing my hair in beats like this. So keep watching. Now this is half a bag in, half a bag. I'm going into the second half of the first bag now. Now I have 2 old bags in my head. This is what 2 bags looks like. And I'm just gonna quickly open the 3rd bag. Looks like I'm not gonna use all 3 bags after all. And I can actually say I'm done now. Yep, I used a little more than 2 bags and half. This is the remaining bit of hair. Yep, and this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna put some mousse on now, comb it, do some snipping, and I'll be done for real. So mousse. And there it is. Thank you so much for watching this video. And thank you again. Thank you.